Another variant has joined the Djvu ransomware family. This time it is ADWW Ransomware. Like other members of the Djvu ransomware family, this version also locks critical files and then demands a ransom fee to restore file access. Ransomware like ADWW is often distributed via software bundling. So if you tend to download freeware or pirated apps distributed via torrent or cracked software sites, you may end up installing this threat. ADWW ransomware locks popular file types including photos, music, documents, and videos. During the file encryption process, the malware adds the telltale.addww extension to affected files and leaves a ransom note on the user's desktop and in every folder that contains encrypted files. Unfortunately, an online decryption tool that can unlock encrypted files is not currently available. The only reliable way to recover infected files is to restore them from a backup. Victims can also attempt to use alternative data recovery options, but there's no guarantee that alternative data recovery tools will be able to unlock all the encrypted files. Once downloaded and installed, ADWW ransomware employs the AES encryption algorithm to lock up target files. It then demands a ransom in exchange for the decryption key. The decryption key costs $980, but the ransomware's operators will offer a 50% discount and only charge $490 if the victim contacts them within the first 72 hours after infection. The hackers can be contacted at restorealldata@firemail.cc and Guarentos@bitmessage.ch or at the Telegram account @datarestore. We discourage establishing contact with the hackers, however, as there's no guarantee that they will provide decryption tools after payment or even communicate with you. How do I deal with the ADWW ransomware infection? To protect yourself from the ADWW ransomware attack, you should practice safe web browsing habits like refraining from opening email attachments from unknown senders and downloading programs from unreliable sources. You should also have a reputable malware remediation tool installed on your computer. That way you can regularly scan for elements associated with this troublesome ransomware infection and other malware. Also, to reduce the potential damage of a future ransomware infection, please consider backing up your files on an external hard drive or cloud storage. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.